Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshots in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. There are three methods to take screenshots in your phone. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here, I would like to take a screenshot from Google Chrome web page. This is the page where I need a screenshot. Okay. By first method, use power button and volume down button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. Just press them together to take a screenshot. See here. Yes, screenshot is taken. Okay. Then second method. For second method, what you have to do is with your palm swipe from left side to right side on the screen or right side to left side on the screen. See here, screenshot is taken. Now I swipe from reverse, that is right side to left side. Screenshot is taken. Okay, this is second method of taking screenshot. This method is called as palm swipe method of taking screenshot. Then third method, for that you go to set some settings. Go to settings of our phone here, then go to accessibility, then go to interaction and textuality and turn on assistant menu. Just turn on this button and give all permissions. This is assistant menu icon. You can move it and place it anywhere on the screen. Now as usual, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot and then click on this assistant menu icon and here select a screenshot icon and screenshot will be taken. So in these three methods you can take screenshots on your phone. If you would like to locate the screenshot, then go to home screen and go to Samsung and here go to my files and here go to internal storage and DCIM screenshots folder. These are all the screenshots that I took recently. Okay, so in this way you can easily take screenshots as well as you can locate the taken screenshot. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.